Alex, the food looks amazing. First of all, tell us why you're here today doing this fundraiser.
So today we're doing a fundraiser for this brother that he has a business. It's called Heaven's Bakery and Heaven's Cake, sorry. And they recently had a fortunate event happen. They had a break-in, and so they also had done a fundraiser. They do a lot with the community. They also got laptops stolen. So we just figured, hey, you know, if we can, let's help them out.
So, and this is part of one of your church brothers, right?
Yes.
So yeah, kind of talk about that element a little bit. You guys all go to church together. And so
they go to Yakima.
Okay.
And we're here based out of Tri-Cities.
Okay.
But you know, we're just trying to help out wherever we can, you know.
And your church is kind of bonding, and you
Yeah.
are to help them out.
Yeah, definitely. My pastor is also friends with him as
Okay.
well, so there's a close connection.
All right, so a lot of unity, and
Yeah,
it's all connected to this great food. So that we haven't showed people yet, but
Yeah.
let's go check it out real
Let's
quick.
go check it out.
What are you cooking up here today,
So
Alex?
I got some chicken on red sauce. So my style of cooking is Santa Maria style, and which consists of tri-tip, chicken, ribs. But today we're just doing the chicken portion of it, and we just figured, hey, you know, quick fundraiser. This is the first time that I'm using my grill,
Yeah,
and so we're just breaking it in today.
Looks great, and you know, your style's kind of Peruvian. You know,
So I have that Peruvian infusion because I'm half Peruvian, half Mexican. So you know, I just fusion all that in, and you know,
so it's kind of like Mexuvian. Is that what we would call it?
something like that.
might-
Something like that.
We might have something new.
Yeah.
So real quickly, tell us where you're at and how long you're going to be here. And
Yeah,
how
we're in
people get a hold of
Pasco.
you.
We're in Pasco, Washington, and we're gonna be here until like 6 p.m. And yeah, as soon as this flies, hey, you know, it's going.
And we're suggesting donations of what, $10 per plate.
10 bucks per plate, and
Okay.
that gets you 2 sides and a drink.
Cool, awesome,
Yeah.
man. Well, everybody, come on out if you can. Support this effort. Check that out. I still got to get my bite in, so I'm ready to take my bites of this
Hey,
chicken.
whenever you're ready, we got it right here.
All right, Alex. Thanks so much.
All right, thanks.
brother.
You guys take care and God bless.